stopped. Look at that over there. Whoa. Kind of looks like there's a, like I see a touchdown over there. That looks kind of creepy. Y'all see that? Huh. Oh, that looks kind of trippy over there. Looks a little dark, eh? One hasn't picked up yet, though. Pick up anyway. It's looking even blacker. I wanted a storm and now I got one. Now I'm scared. Scary. Oof. There's another video of it. Looks even darker. Ooh. Those of you heading to Dryden right now, I don't think it's safe. There's Carl and his boy walking. Get down, people. Ooh, another shot of it. It'll probably lighten up though. But that's a storm. Gonna rain here pretty soon. Here comes the wind. The wind's picking up. Here it comes. Ooh. Can you hear the wind in the back? Holy cow, it sounds kind of scurry. That's the other side. Ooh. I can smell the rain. This is Laxo Weatherman. Reporting live. Whoa. Ooh, here it comes. See all the wind blowing? That's all the trees. Oh my God. That is trippy. Shit. It's high winds. It's a good thing I brought my dog in. Oh. The wind's coming now. I may have to get covered. There goes Myra. She's running home. She's running back to PJ's. Yeah. There's wind moving everywhere. Holy cow.
Everywhere?
Alright guys, garbage just ripped open.
Oh, it's like going everywhere.
Trees might get ripped down probably. I know. I heard something back here when it first came. No tornado thing anyway. Holy cow. I almost lost my hat.
Oh my God.
that's blowing on the power lines makes that sounds kind of scurry.
A bunch of things are getting blown everywhere.
Torrential rains, torrential winds, yep.
Just the wind is like spinning around. That's why the clouds are going like that.
That looks kind of weird.
Yeah, but once it hits those things for some reason,
It's like it's rotating, eh?
Yeah, it's sort of like rotating, and then this is going that way. For some reason, it actually looks beautiful
That
though.
cloud's going fast. It's going that way.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Jesus Christ!
You can see the clouds moving fast over there.
If you guys can see that, it's kind of moving around up there.
Yeah.
Funnel clouds, yeah, that's what they call them, funnel clouds. It's not something you want to see, but I don't think it'll happen. Whatever wanted to happen probably happened already. Oh, that looks weird. Scurry, man, scurry. It's making my knees buckle.
I just seen clouds just kind of spinning and moving at different directions. That doesn't look good at all.
Oh, the way that looks. Ooh, getting chillier. I have one.
It's starting to rain.
It's cold.
Did you guys just saw that I was? Did you guys just saw I was just running?
Oh, it's cold. Power's out. Rain is coming. Yeah, all the rain coming there. And voila, look at that, the power went on. Yeah, and we're just sitting around watching gonna watch some YouTube or whatever. My baby's probably gonna watch her show. Yeah, there it goes. Well, looks like the storm has passed. It's only raining now, so it's pretty much gone. Yeah. Anyways, that's our storm update. We'll see you all later. Bye-bye.